Well, I guess as everybody can see, I mean, it is dark now. It has been snowing hard, blowing around all day long. I just spent, I don't know, good couple hours after I got home from working on a car, and I got part of it cleaned out, but I think the rest of it's going to wait till tomorrow once the wind dies down. But it is what it is. I don't know. I had fun. It was definitely better than sitting out in an open cab because I had the heat cooking in there so much that I was just about ready to strip down. I mean, I was down to a t-shirt, and I would have cracked the window open if it hadn't been snowing. So I did turn the heat temperature down just a little bit. So I guess tomorrow I'm gonna probably go at doing some more of this, and you guys will probably see it because I'm sure I'll continue this on tomorrow and get some videos so that way you can see it. But it's gonna definitely take some time. Bye, the auger. Well, as many of you can see, it's dark outside right now, but we did get a fair amount of snow moved out of the way today, and we got a big pile of stuff burned up. So that's our pile that's gonna basically sit and burn all night. And it's kind of hard to see, but over here is what's left of the camper. So the only thing that's left for tomorrow is to finish getting the rest of the floor plywood and stuff tore off, and we'll get that thrown on and burned, and I guess we'll see how that goes tomorrow. But we had a lot of fun today, got a lot of stuff done, still have a fair amount of snow to move,
My dad was over here with the big skid loader, so we were pushing with that and pushing with the tractor for a while. I didn't really get any video of that because I was busy pushing and trying to get a bunch of stuff done, but I know Chris was running around with the camera, so I'm sure he'll have some of us pushing snow on his channel. So I guess until tomorrow, I'll probably be back here, and I'm sure that pile will still be burning pretty good because there's a lot of stuff in there, a lot of good coals. Probably just stir it up, toss some stuff on tomorrow, and we'll be back up and burning and see if we can get that camper stripped down to the frame. We'll be one step closer to having our log trailer ready, or at least to the point of where we can start getting it ready. So I guess until next time, we'll see ya. Thanks. Bye.